What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we're going to be making Oleo Saccharum for our Home Bar Basics episode. What is Oleo Saccharum, you ask? Funny you should ask. I'll tell you what it is. Oleo Saccharum is a fancy Latin word for coating a bunch of lemon or citrus peels of some kind in sugar and muddling the essential oils out of it. Now, why would you do this? It is a punch base that has been being used for hundreds of years. It is the original punch base, and the reason why you do this is because you want to make a syrup out of the essential oils of lemon, which hold all of the lemon flavor, but it doesn't have any of the acidity from the citric acid in the fruit. And so you get this really amazingly robust lemon or orange or grapefruit or lime or any citrus that you use flavor. I like to call it three-dimensional flavor. I don't know if that's really the right thing, but that's what I say. I just say three-dimensional flavor because I kind of feel like the word three-dimensional really sort of gets across the idea of all of the different facets of flavor that you get. So I have peeled a bunch of lemons. We're going to be doing 6 lemons, and I wanted to just keep one to peel for you guys to just kind of show you that there's a little bit of technique to the peeling. You want to use a really sharp peeler because you want to try and limit the amount of pith you get, which is the white stuff. Now, obviously, you're going to get some pith, but you want to just limit that as much because the pith is very bitter, and you don't want to impart those bitter flavors into your Oleo Saccharum. You want it to be nice and sweet. So we're just going to peel this, try and get as much of it as we can. Try not to waste any, but you don't want it to be too pithy. So we peeled 6 lemons. We have the peels of 6 lemons in here, and then we're just going to take 2 good-sized tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to coat it on top of the peels. Okay, and then all we got to do is take our muddler and muddle. And you basically want to muddle until you'll see the sugar starting to clump together because the essential oils are wetting the sugar. Now, after you muddle it, which is going to take a little while, I don't know if we are going to speed this up or spare you the process, but after you'll start to see the sugar clumping. You're probably going to have to muddle for 3 to maybe 5 minutes. So it's a little bit of a workout. I suggest switching hands. And once it starts to see like the sugar is kind of coated on everywhere and the peels have really expressed their oils, that's when you can stop. Now, we're still not done because once we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to cover it with saran wrap and we're going to put it in the fridge. And you want to let it sit for a minimum of 3 hours, but honestly, you really should be letting this sit for 24 hours. The reason for this is that the sugar will actually start to extract the moisture out of the peels, and all that moisture, the thing that's moist, is that oil. So the oil will start to be, the moist oil will start to be extracted out of the peel, and it will start mixing with the sugar, and then after you're done, you will start to see a syrup. Not a lot. It's not going to make not a lot. You're not going to see a lot, but when you're making punch, you have this in the bottom of your punch, and then you start layering the punch on top of it. Also, there's a bar in New York City called the Dead Rabbit, which makes a kind of lemon juice called lemon sherbet that they use. And what they actually do is make an Oleo Saccharum, and then they add lemon juice to it, and they heat it up a little bit to combine those, and then they double strain it out, and they have this lemon juice that has all of the essential oils of the peels in it. And they call that lemon sherbet, which you could do if you want to make a really, really lemony flavored lemon juice, if that makes any sense. So there you have it, my friends. Oleo Saccharum. Enjoy punching. Not punching people, punching punch.